Pamark Barret, pamark.
Okay. Look at crown, boys. Come. Come northwest. Actually, let's go southeast. We lost south northwest last time. We go southeast now. We go southeast, boys. Come northwest. Scatter, this one in my southeast. You go inside them, okay? As Dominic said, go inside, go deep.
Good check.
Good check, boys. Ready defensive, look at
Just start walking in, don't stop, just start walking in, guys. Start walking in.
Go inside.
Don't stop.
Just go inside.
Go inside, go to the back. That's their weak point, okay? Just
go
keep
inside,
walking.
boys. Just go inside. Keep walking over them, boys. Keep walking over them. Inside. Defensive. Inside of you. Nice, locus. Look inside the bus. In 3, 2. Inside the bus, boys. Huge clump inside the bus. Huge. Defensive, boys. They're all low. Keep pushing. They're backling. Push their backling, boys. Stop giving up. Just keep pushing them. Don't give them space. Keep pushing their backling. Hey, we'll reset this. Keep pushing their backling, boys. Keep pushing their backling. Ready your defensive. Defensive. Look northeast. They engage inside the bus. Unbarried. Huge clump unbarried, boys. The clump pwede nun.
Labas.
Boys, go inside. Keep pushing. We regroup. Keep pushing kasi, boys. Huwag kayo matakot. Keep pushing. Next time, keep pushing. Just go deep. Don't be scared. We already wiped. We almost wiped them, to be honest. We could have wiped them, boy. Keep pushing. Come, regroup. Push their back lane. Brawlers, go inside. Everyone, go inside. Always have
Head.
This time, go inside, okay? Just go. Walk over them. Walk over them. Walk boys. Walk over them. Boys, just come.
Find their
Come and walk over
healers.
them.
Don't just blow the tanks. Find their
Roll the
healers.
healer. Find the clothes, boys. Find the clothes.
Find their healers.
Go, keep rolling. Defensive. Look inside the bus, boys. Inside the bus in 3, 2, 1. Inside the bus. Very huge. No damage. Brawl their healers, boys. What? Come back. Healers na. We feel good, but I don't know why so healers can sustain us. Taki, you're just dead there, bro. Come back. Regroup. We need to, you know what? I have a plan. Regroup, come southwest. This is our plan. Everyone with night helmet, we pop at the same time, we go inside, okay? That's all we do. We pop night helmet, we all go inside, then ready your defensives, because they will engage us. Look into my west, QSNW to this guy named Fera. Ready your, go pop your night helmet, night now, go inside, defensive. Night now, go inside them, walk over them, boys, walk over them. Walk over them, look west. Walk over them, boys, Just walk over them, look west. We engage west in 3, 2, 1. West now, guys, huge clump west. They got good hits. Brawl. Rootbound, boy, where are you? Heal, need some heals here in front lane. Healers, come inside. Everyone, just come inside and brawl. Come southeast. They have engaged, boys. Come southwest. Come southeast, boys. They have engaged. Ready defensive. They're engaging. Defensive now. Nice locus. Look northwest. We engage west in 3, 2, 1. Go deep on the choke. Huge club on the choke, boys. Huge. It's huge. Kissing doubles. Keep rolling. Do not be scared. Keep rolling, boys. They're low. Bedrock them away from their, kung saan sila try tumakbo. Ball. I-bedrock nyo. Ready defensive. They have engaged soon. Ready your defensive, boys. Roll their healer. Their healer's very low in Kaiko. Look southeast, boys. Ready your defensive. HOJ looking in our north. HOJ looking. Up night now, defensive now, boys, defensive now. Inside of us, in east in 3, 2, 1, inside of us, huge clamp, very huge. Brawl, keep rolling, boys, keep rolling. Healers heal, where's our healers? Healers heal, keep pushing east. Heals, keep pushing east, boys, keep pushing east. Come west, we reset, come west a bit. Bedrock, push them back towards us, okay? Okay? Come back, look northeast. Payan si Chisaki sa front lane. Look northeast, we engage northeast and Chisaki in 3, 2, 1. Go deep, boys, go deep. We counter. Huge clamp on Barry. We counter, boys. Brawl, boys, brawl. They have nothing. They have no defensive. Brawl, their healer slow. Attack, boys, attack. Just keep pushing. They're low. The root ball is slowing. Sige lang. Healer down. Healer has no heal. Healer has no mana. Patayin nyo na yung healer. Palang awa nyo na. Patayin nyo na yung healer sa southeast. Ready defensive. Walk northeast. We're gonna engage northeast in 3, 2, 1. Go deep, boys. Go deep northeast. Huge clamp northeast, boys. Huge clamp. Defensive. Sige, keep walking over them. Nice locus. Keep walking over them, boys. Nice bedrock. Keep walking over them, boys. Comes out now, boys. Comes out. Kill these people at our back lane. At our back. Wipe these people at our back. Comes out, boys. Comes out. We got GA. Sige lang, comes out. Hotdog, comes out. We reset. Comes out, boys. Good job. We're doing this actually quite well. Kill this guy. Isaki, don't use your ulti. Don't use it like that. The group northeast. They pop perma. Ready defensive, boys. Ready defensive. Kill si hotdog. Defensive now. Look northeast. We counter northeast in 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Huge clap northeast. Very huge. Keep pushing. They're back. Bedrock.
Ready, Clarix now.
Ready defensive now, boys. Defensive now. Keep rolling. Sige lang, boys. Go deep in their clothes. This kayo healer nagpapakita na sa pinakalikod. I-brawl nyo to. Archangel. Inside of us. We engage inside of us in 3, 2, 1. Inside of us, boys. Huge. Very huge. Nice. Good job. Come southwest. I'm speaking like Marge from The Simpsons. Come southwest, boys. Come. Ready defensive. Defensive now. Tara, group. Color down.
Kala ko napap ko yung di pala.
Hotdog.
Okay. Maybe this time, if you don't have clericals, you brawl kayo sa sides. Huwag kayo sa gitna. That was like obvious turn. Like after ng brawl nyo. After na-engage nila. After 15 seconds, may re-engage.
Want to push sa group.
I don't know. We just have to see that, I guess.
Bedrock, can you push them like towards our back? Kasi it really annoys them. It destroys their their force to pop knight helmet. Come southeast, boys. Dismount on me. The group. Come southeast, boys. Yo, Dionji, come southeast, boys. Come southeast. Just walk over them, boys, ha? Brawler, you have tons of scapegoat here, or you can come northwest. Sige lang, come inside. Look at Nook. Look, defensive now. Defensive. Look west. In west. Keep walking west. Push west, boys. Push west. On west in 3, 2. Inside of us. This many. 3. Kill this.
5 seconds, they have engaged. Walk back now.
Come east, boys. Hold this choke. Come east. Heal Chisaki. Come southeast. Come southeast, boys. Sige, try nyo poke si Feyra kung aabot. Pwede drop down random heal. Defensive, boys. Defensive. Look west. In west. Look west in 3, 2, 1. West now. Huge clamp in west. Very huge.
Good job. Keep rolling them. They don't have engage.
Boys. They have nothing.
They have 5 seconds. Okay, they can still start.
Kill these buzz. They're all low. Good job. Good job, boy. No regroup. Keep pushing.
You'll maybe pop Knight Helmet when they pop Face Scale Robe, maybe. So you guys can walk in.
Look into my east, look into my east. In my east. 3, 2, 1. Into my east right now. Huge clamp into my east right now. Go. Sige, patayin nyo yun nandyan. Kill, Kiss and W's. Don't let that HOJ leave. Good job. Kill this at the back.
Very good job.
Come south, boys, come south. Boys, come south. Kill this guy named Sonic Wings. Come south, boys, come south. Kill, stabilize, boys, stabilize. Come south. Dominic teaching is the best. Amen.
No, like, if they fail engage, guys, just walk in behind them.
Yeah.
They have nothing to drop after that.
Defensive is key, boys.
Then after they engage, just count 20. Count from 20. They have another engage. You can see their color walking.
Look northeast. Come southwest muna, boys.
Don't play that choke. That shit is dead.
Look west. Come back west. Hold this choke. Thanks, hold this choke. Come west. Everyone.
There might be looking.
Everyone come west. Just ready your defensive. Come west, boys.
Pull them this open area. Pull them to there. Pull them. Not the stairs. Don't play stairs.
Come west, boy. Come west. Just come west. Scatter around here.
Just spread there. Just spread there. They're gonna engage the middle. 100% they're gonna engage the middle. Just spread. Don't stay in the middle.
Engaging. Okay.
Just spread in the middle. Trust me. They're gonna engage the middle.
Defensive, boys. Drop your guard hammer. Stop using random east. Defensive, boys. Defensive.
See what I told you guys? They're gonna engage the middle. Saw that coming like 100 miles away.
Come back. Just hold the choke. Come back and hold the choke. Color dead, boy.
Just keep walking, guys. Stop up.
Hold the choke in there. In southeast. Coming back. Regroup on the ping. Don't die, boys. Come back in the choke. And then hold. They're looking to engage. Defensive now, boys. Locus, please, I beg you, Slime. We got this, Slime. We believe in you.
They have no engage now. Walk in.
Look southeast, boys. Walk in. Heals. Come southeast. Look east. Say pop night. Look east, pop night. Unbarret. In the sealer. W's, boys. Kiss and W's. Come northwest. We reset. Come northwest, boys. Come northwest. Heal waff. Stabilize. All this choke, boys. Come northwest, boys. Stop pushing.
They have CD now.
Come back. Unknown. Stop pushing. You're root bound. Stop randomly using your ease unknown. Is it in comms? Unknown is not in comms. Oh my. No wonder why he's randomly using his ease. We have engage, boys. Ready locus, Slime. Ready locus. Come west muna, boys. Come west. Just ready your locus.
Why is Rudy down in front?
Come west.
Why is he up there? Do not die.
Look east. They have engaged. They're engaging. Just engage. Kasi Davis is bobo. Why you let that guy alone? Actually, Sasaki, just wait for my engage. Look east, boys. They have no engage. Look east. Come northeast. Walk over them northeast, boys. Pop your knight, boys. Pop your knight. Look northeast. Kill this guy named Alex Knox.
10 seconds, they have engaged.
Come north. Come back northwest. Whoa! This guy alone. No one. Come northwest. Just come up northwest, boys. Just come up northwest. Stop brawling. Why is unknown not in comms? Our root bound is not in comms.
He's playing offensive. I don't know why he's playing like in front. When he's playing root bound. Maybe not. Don't put him on root bound next time.
Ready defensive, boys. Kiss and W's this guy. Okay. Fake.
A waste of luck.
Looking to engage.
So guys, can you guys spread? There's like a whole arena there. Spread. Don't
defensive. Look southeast. In 3, 2, 1. Huge clamp in southeast, boys. Very huge. Go, brawl. You have nothing, boys. Brawl. Fight. Keep walking over them.
10 seconds. They have engaged in 10 seconds.
Come back northwest, boys. We reset. Fill this guy inside of us. Come northwest, boys. Boys, come northwest. Defensive, boys. Ready your defensive. They have engaged soon. Ah, Chisaki, just use your ulti with me, Chisaki. Just use your ulti with me. What is that fire thingy, bro? Why would you step there?
Oh,
They're not
nice.
pushing. Peace and W's, boys. Peace and W's. They're looking for engage. Bro, why is unknown not comes? Oh my god.
So don't play that choke again. There was no time.
Come northwest, boys. Come northwest.
Spread around the area. No. Hug the walls. Come on, don't stay on the choke. It's gonna be a repeat again.
Guys, come northwest. Come northwest, boys. Come northwest. Why are you staying there? Come back northwest. Scatter here. You can also scatter down here for Death Tank, bro. Let them come. They're gonna bomb you there, Icy. I swear to God, you're gonna die there. Come southwest, boys. Come southwest. Only don't waste your Woodrock. You can use your Bedrock, bro. From so much things you can use your Bedrock for to annoy them, bro. You can use it on their back to just annoy the hell out of them. If they dismount, we bomb them, bro. They're dismounting. Come southeast. Scatter. Hug the wall. Scatter around, boys. Engaging. They're looking to engage, boys. Sige. Brawl this. Engage north, guys. Engage north. Look, engage north in 3, 2, 1. North now, boys. North. Huge clump in north, boys. Go. Kill the ones at north. Brawl. Come back south, boys. All our utils is just wasted. I don't know what's happening. Legit, our utils is just being wasted back and forth. Like, you see, they're pushing. Like, we wasted all our utils already for something else. Defensive now, boys. We're just spamming all our utils, boys. I don't know what's happening. Sinasayang yung lahat ng skill niya, like, legit. Then yung root dome natin wala sa comms. Hindi niya.